Boy, look here. Appalachian ape clutched up today. Oh, oh, oh! Biggest flush of chicken of the woods I've ever found. Look at that. Yellow and orange phosphorus shelf mushrooms, i.e., chicken of the woods, all over the log. Both sides, down to the bottom. This is by far the biggest flush I've ever found of any mushroom. Amazing. You know, I'll be harvesting some of this. About to come see Chef Paul at the dish. Brother, I appreciate you kickstarting my mushroom foraging. I don't even want money anymore, bro. I'll tell you what I want. I like to trade these for some of that bread pudding and blondie y'all make at the dish. My goodness, it's good. But that's what's going to happen with the majority of these. These are going to some restaurants, and I'm going to get some food. I'm not even selling them. It's amazing. I want y'all to look at that. Still good condition, too. Could be better quality, but they're good. They're very edible. I was driving down the road and saw them glowing. Came on up in, decided to take a closer look. Man, they're everywhere. Like, I literally almost don't even know where to start. Let's see what we got here. Harvest the ends. Could be better quality, but I'll take them. They're still very good. They're not rotten. Let's go.